Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And no, I have not brushed my hair yet today, but I just got a box and I have a funny story for you guys. So I didn't want to let the vibe pass because I have to share, oh my gosh, it's a little glimpse into my life. So this video is going to be an unboxing of my personal Scentsy, things that I use, but it's also going to include a funny, just Jesus take the wheel type of story from my life, as well as a little something extra for the consultants. So it's jam-packed with goodness. Anyway, so if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And comment below. Let me know what you think, you guys. My life is crazy. Let's get into it. So, it's Saturday morning. I'm sitting here having my coffee, scrolling through the TikTok, and the doorbell rings with a package. And my 22-year-old daughter, who loves Scentsy, has autism. She loves to bring in the Scentsy boxes. She goes, "I'll get it." I hear her say that. So she goes to get the package. I hear the door open and she comes in. She goes, "Oh, it's too heavy. I can't do it." And she's standing there in her underwear. Apparently she was getting ready for the day when she heard the... I said, "Taylor Ray, you cannot go outside in your underwear. Ever." You guys, Jesus, take the wheel. Come and help me. Come help your girl out, Jesus, wherever you are. She was outside in her underwear. I don't live in the country. I live in Los Angeles. I mean, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? This is my real life. Like, it's not a movie. It's my real life. Anyways, so let's look at what the heck I got in my box, okay? So, I had a ton. I was closing a party. I had someone joining, and I had a ton of hostess rewards that I could use. I had a lot of free. I had a lot of half price. So, I went hog wild on it. And so, one of the things that I love to get are the air purifier replacement filters. I got 2 of them because I have a couple air purifiers as well as my daughter. I love them. So these are our air purifier filters. So rather than pay, I believe they're $35 retail, I got them for half off. So I got 2 of those. Then, when we first came out with our catalog, us Scentsy consultants were able to purchase like sales kits to share things with you guys. And one of the things I got was the fluffy try saying that first thing in the morning. Fluffy fleece laundry stuff, right? But it didn't come with Scent Soft. Your girl needs Scent Soft. So I got some Scent Soft for freezies with my hostess rewards. Then you can actually order the Laundry Love bundle. And let me get it all out. The Laundry Love bundle is a $50 bundle, but you can put it in your hostess rewards and get it for half off, which is what your girl did. And you get the laundry liquid. You get the big tub of whiffs. And this is jammy time because I love jammy time. And I'm still trying to use up, I'm almost done with my black raspberry vanilla so I can start using other scents. But I wanted to use that up. You also get 2 things of dryer discs, but there's 2 discs in each box. But you don't get scents off. Your girl needs scents off. So I already have some Jammy Time. Did not have the scents off, so I ordered 2 scents offs for myself. Okay. The next thing you guys know, I got this for free. The Coastal Sunset all-purpose cleaner. You guys, I'm having people over. I got to clean these carpets. I have 4 cats and a dog. Carpets need to be done. The next thing that I got was I am completely out of my holiday collection flyers, and I need more. So I ordered some of those. Then I ordered the 3-pack of the holiday collection 3-pack. I love these, and I already have some, but I was like, oh, I want more. So I got Swirling Snowflakes, which just smells phenomenal. Oh, it's like pepperminty, and oh, it's good. It's good. And then vanilla maple vanilla glaze. It smells as good as it sounds. It's delish. Okay. And then I got cranberry orange cider, which is part of the 3-pack as well. It's just phenomenal. It's just a good scent. And then I grabbed Dancing Sugar Plums because I just love Dancing Sugar Plums. I wish they would have brought it back in body. That was my favorite. I still have some hand lotion left that I bought in a clearance. But I just love, are you okay over there? He's my dog making noises. Anyway, but it smells phenomenal. So I had to grab some of that. Then I grabbed a Dancing Sugar Plums room spray. Because you guys know, if you've been following me, you know that I spray room spray on my clothing. Now, that is not what it's meant for. Okay, it is room spray. It has essential oils in it. So if you are planning on spraying it on any sort of fabric, etc., make sure it's not like silk or something that you give a darn about. But if it's like a sweatshirt or a t-shirt that you're like, whatevs, just go ahead and spray it, but not close. Like, don't spray it close. And just... and then you smell amazing. I sell a ton of this stuff. Right now, I have pumpkin chai I've been wearing, and I sell a ton of it because people are like, who smells like pumpkin up in here? And I'm like, that'd be me. And, but now I wanted my Dancing Sugar Plums. Okay. So then, here's something really cool. I don't know if you know that you can actually, our bricks, this one's my favorite, by the way. Our bricks are $24 for 1, but 2 for $40, right? So you're already saving $8. But did you know that you could put these as a half-priced item, the bundle? So now I got all of this wax for $20. Yes. Like, I'm all over here showing off. I'm like, $20 for 2 bricks. Yes, I did. Okay. So that is everything that I got. Hey, Dakota. That's everything that I got. But I wanted to share one last thing with you because they're so stinking cute. And I got these at Marshall's. Marshall's. This is for the consultants, okay? You guys know we're always looking for reasonably sized molds, wax molds. This is a 2-pack, okay, from Marshall's, the silicone. So it's $6, but you get 2 candy canes, and they're not huge. It's a perfect amount for a sample. Hello. Perfect peppermints. That's just perfect, okay? Then, same thing, but a little snowman 2-pack. Again, little snowmen. Totes adorbs, right? I had to share. I can't keep it all to myself. I can't gatekeep the good deals and the cool steals. Come here, Dakota. You want to show them your cute sweater. So, come here, Dakota. So Dakota was cold this morning, and he was feeling kind of preppy. So he's got his fall cable knit sweater on. And he just looks fancy. Look very preppy. Where's your cell phone? But anyways, so that's my video. I know I'm a hot mess. I know I'm a hot mess. Look, you know what it is? He loves Scentsy, and he smells the dancing sugar plums. Plus, he just loves his mama. You love your mama? You love your mama? All right, you guys. So that's my video. That's it. I shared my funny story. I shared the cool stuff I found at Marshall's and all my deals. And that's it. And maybe I don't necessarily have to brush my hair. Like, where am I going? I'm going to have another cup of coffee while I'm at it. And that's it for the day. All right, you guys. Have a good weekend. I'll talk to you later. Bye.